All right, guys, let's talk about this favorite boot brand poll. I don't want to upset anybody, but I'm going to have some pretty strong opinions here. This sucker got 428 votes, which is the most of any poll I've put out yet. I'm not surprised with the Alpinestars at 62%. They are by far the most popular MX boot, but I will tell you they are one of the only MX boots that I cannot stand to wear for some reason. Guys, if you've never worn a CD, I would tell you to try them out. I have a slender, like a narrow foot. I started wearing CDs back in 05, 06. They're pretty expensive. Started out with the Flex Forces, now the Crossfires, and they're probably one of the most expensive boots you're going to get. But I've tried to go back to other brands, and I've just had no luck. I don't feel like I get the same feel. I feel like the CD is the only one with the small enough like toe box profile. And I don't know. I was a rep for TCX a couple years ago, and the TCXs weren't bad, but they still didn't have the feel of the CD. But A-Star just with huge market share. Second place, Garnet. Doesn't surprise me. I wore SG8s and SG10s a little bit. Like the boots. I really like the Garnet SGs. I think they're, honestly, guys, I think they're better than the Alpinestars. But they still didn't feel as good as my CDs to me. So CD comes in third with 9%. Actually, no, other comes in third with 12%. I'm sure that's probably Fox Instinct people. And the reason I didn't leave Fox Instinct, I didn't put Fox on there, is because Fox's, they just kind of came on board as a true boot brand. Whereas these companies are known mostly for their boots. And just might make some other, Alpinestars got into some other things, but Fox, their instincts are pretty good, but it's not the main aspect of their brand. So, other, third with 12%, CD, fourth with 9%, which is just heartbreaking, but I don't feel like CD has really pushed their marketing in the US. They're huge in Europe for sure. I don't understand why they won't push their marketing over here or get involved with a different distributor over here and try to push their boots. And TCX last with 2%. Guys, don't rule out TCX. They're pretty good boots. I don't think you can go wrong with any boots that have Italian roots. But what you got to remember is a lot of the Italian boots are made in China now, almost all of them. So, as far as the comments, I'll send a man says Wolverines. Somebody says hiking boots with Gore-Tex. Krieger, he likes Alpinestars and Fox, and then somebody else commented Fox. So I'm sure all the others are mostly Fox. So, yeah, guys, the Alpinestars doesn't surprise me much, but I don't know. Go try some other brands from Alpinestars, guys. I know they have some cool colorways, but there's some other stuff out there to try, and I think you'll like it. So thanks for watching. Keep voting on these polls. I'll see you in the next one.